I'm here to explain with the project of Fpga based robust real vision system for autonomous cargo transfer by an unmanned helicopter. This is the proposed system of this project is to control the cargo system in airports. Control the cargo system in the airports by the helicopter. The signals can be transmitted to the RF transmitter. The received system can control according to the transmitted data. The hardware requirements are FPGA Spartan 3 kit and the CCTV camera, RF module, motor drive, helicopter with cargo mechanism. The application is used in load and unloading mechanism. Thank you.